Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find copper no man's sky, easy method. Start by equipping a terrain manipulator and a mining beam to unearth veins quickly, then install a scanner upgrade to detect copper from farther away. Prioritize hot or volcanic planets and land near industrial sites where copper spawns more often. Keep some Starship inventory slots free for large stacks and sell excess at space stations to fund better upgrades in ships. Begin by installing a focus scanner upgrade that boosts mineral detection and highlights copper on the HUD. Tune your ship or exosuit scanners toward metallic ores to filter out common stones and save time. Always recharge power cells and ensure multi-tool has sufficient beam and ammo upgrades so you can mine continuously without returning to base for supplies. This setup reduces search time and increases copper yield per visit. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings ambient sound and easy voice control to your setup, perfect for atmospheric exploration sessions while you hunt copper. It pairs with timers, music, and game chat for a cozier play experience. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Seek out volcanic or hot planets first, since these biomes tend to host larger copper veins and more exposed deposits. Scan for industrial outposts and abandoned bases where copper often spawns near structures or machinery. Visual cues like orange or reddish terrain can hint at metal-rich areas, so fly low and circle suspicious zones slowly. Land near clusters and use terrain scans to uncover multiple veins quickly to maximize your haul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.